The efficiency of fin is defined as the ratio of actual heat transfer from the fin to the heat transfer from the same fin if the temperature along the entire length of the fin is the same as the base temperature. The fin efficiency is defined as the ratio of the actual heat transfer from the fin to the heat transfer from the same fin if the temperature along the entire length of the fin is the same as the base temperature. Efficiency of fin is equal to root under P H K A C into T naught minus T A by H P L into T naught minus T A. Flow in a constant area con- flow in a constant area duct with heat transfer is Rayleigh flow. Flow in a constant area duct with heat transfer is known as Rayleigh flow. Which of the following is correct statement for local heat transfer coefficient variation in boundary layer along isothermal plate? Local heat transfer coefficient decrease in flow direction of for laminar flow and decreases in flow direction for fully developed turbulent flow. For local heat transfer coefficient variation in boundary layer along isothermal plate, local heat transfer coefficient decrease in flow direction or laminar flow and decrease in flow direction for fully developed turbulent flow. Lumped heat capacity approach for transient heat conduction analyzed is used when body variation throughout the body is very low. Lumped heat capacity approach the transient heat conduction analysis is used when heat conduction in solid having infinite thermal conductivity, negligible internal resistance, or when the temperature variation throughout the body is very low. Combined natural and forced convection analysis is done only when Grosseff number and Reynolds number is equals to 0.1 is less than Grosseff number by Reynolds number square is less than 10. Combined natural and forced convection analysis is done only when 0.1 is less than Grosseff by Reynolds number का square is less than 10. Convective heat transfer coefficient is a function of nature of fluid flow, properties of fluid, and configuration of body. The convective heat transfer coefficient H can be defined as the rate of heat transfer between a solid surface and a fluid per unit surface area per unit temperature difference. The convective heat transfer coefficient is developed upon the physical property of the fluid and the physical situation. Temperature distribution T minus T infinity by T naught minus T infinity is equal to e power e minus mx is valid for very long fin. Temperature distribution for very long fin is e power minus f mx is equal to T minus T naught T minus T infinity by T naught minus T infinity, where e power minus mx is equal to cos h mx m into L minus x by cos h m L. For rectangular fin, LC is equal to L plus T by 2 for corrected length of fin is equal to LC. So LC is equal to L plus T by 2 for rectangular fin, or for pin fin, LC is equal to L plus D by 4. Grosseff number may be defined as buoyancy force by viscous force. Grosseff number is defined as it is the ratio of the buoyancy force to the viscous force. Grosseff number is equal to a inertia force into buoyancy force by viscous force का square, L cube into G into beta into delta T by nu square. Nusselt number is defined as the heat transfer by convection by heat transfer by conduction. Nusselt number is defined as the heat transfer by convection to heat transfer by conduction, यानी कि Nu is equal to HL by K. For material where Prandtl number PR is very greater than 1, then the thermal boundary layer is much thinner than the thermodynamic boundary layer. Prandtl number PR is equal to mu Cp by K, or you can say that V by alpha. Prudential पे पावर 1/3 इज इक्वल टू 1.1/1.026 इंटू डेल्टा बाई डेल्टा टी एच, मतलब डेल्टा थर्मल. If the thermal boundary layer delta TH is the thinner than the hydrodynamic boundary layer delta, where Prandtl number is very greater than 1. The convective heat transfer coefficient does not depend on surface orientation. For an infinitely long fin, efficiency is given by 1 by ml. For infinitely very long fin, uh, uh, is equal to q actual by q max, that imply 1 by ml. Thank you.